Crafty Tae van. So today we have the rolled ice cream Play-Doh. So let's start opening it. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae van.
It's Crafty. Crafty van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae van. Whoa!
Wait, we gotta show them. Okay, so yes, opened it up. Okay, now we're gonna take out the stuff.
Can I take one out?
I think. Oh, so this is the candy mold and the waffle maker. Oh, so these are like the These are the oh, and these are the bowls. Yep.
Guys, look at our fan card.
Oh no, we don't need that. Dump it all out now. Whoa! Whoa! A whole bunch of, and we got some of these, like some bowls. So I guess we're each gonna get these two bowls. So a little one and a big one. Okay, so I color spatula and this one. And then let me pick my Play-Doh. I think I want this one and yeah. And white. You only get to pick one color and another color of these. So pick one of these and then one of those.
I get
Oh, you
this
got it.
one.
Okay, then put that one back.
And this blue.
Okay. Now we're gonna put those to the side. Oh, let me open this up real quick.
Yeah, so we can get our stuff.
Oh yeah, and here you go. If you need this and this. Oh yeah, and a spoon. Just a minute, guys.
Guys, this is so cool.
Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Oops. Almost forgot about that.
Whoa! I want to get this.
Wait, Van. I gotta see. Oh, and then look, you guys. So we go like this. And then it looks like we like put Play-Doh on here. And then we like...
this.
And then we like...
So like, can I do
smush it
this?
in. And then this is like stuff on it.
I want to do this one.
Okay. You know how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'll do this one. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna start. Oh yeah, you need this spatula, and I'm gonna use this. Okay,
It's
so
opening.
I'm gonna start rolling this Play-Doh.
I'm going to start rolling my blue.
Wait, let me see how they did it. Let me see. Okay, so I know how they did it now. So.
Can you open this? Can you open this?
How are you gonna do the waffle? Like the this is gonna be the colored waffle. Yeah, that has to be the colored waffle. So you need to. I'll open this for you.
This is so cool. Thank you.
I'm gonna take out the Play-Doh.
Yeah, and then I'm going to take out my...
I'm gonna take some of it,
I got to take all of mine out.
half of it, because you gotta. You want me to help taking it out? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna start rolling.
Roll, 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 roll.
Take this up the way.
They hold me.
What do we get? I'm rolling it up.
So cool, guys. So, if y'all see this, make sure.
There should get.
Huh?
These are very fun. Okay, now I think I start rolling it up.
Okay, guys, this is so good. Now let's pat it on.
Whoa, look you guys, I made it.
What
Now,
you made?
put it in this bowl. Okay, I think I need the knife real quick. And I'm gonna
God, this is
cut it.
cool. Okay, let's open it up.
So it could be in the little bowl. I'm gonna make some little ones first.
These are from my kitchen. Wait. Hey guys, mine is done. Let's open it now.
Wait, let me help.
Whoa!
Whoa, you need the spatula. You need the spatula. So put it back down because it's hot, and then you need to take out the excess. So use the spatula so it won't burn you.
This is so cool.
Always showed you something to use to pick up a waffle, like a spatula or some gloves or something. Yeah.
Whoa, guys, look at my waffle.
Yep. Oh, no. Because you have to put it like a shape in a cone, but you need to take that off. This is good.
Okay, guys, I made it.
So fun.
Hey guys, let's put in my.
Look at it. I'm almost done, guys.
Now it's
Now I'm going to use some wine.
some small ingredients. Oh, just make a circle.
No, you don't do it like that. Just pat it down.
Wow, so cool!
Oh, or my spoon. Where's the spoon?
Whoa, guys, look at it!
Whew. The plate is hard to get out. Okay. There we go. Woo, got some wine.
Whoa!
I'm gonna use a pretzel. Never mind.
Don't
Wait,
get-
yeah. Wait.
Hey,
I'm gonna do a gummy bear.
not fair.
A white gummy bear. Wait, man. So you gotta wipe off that excess.
I'm gonna make another waffle.
Wait, man.
I'll make this.
Nope, Van, because you gotta wait. Oh yeah, and then you gotta open that up. You can't fold it like that, Savannah. You see how the descriptions are? Because this is the waffle, and then you roll up the ice cream and then you put it in. That's how you're supposed to do it. Yeah. Where's the, oh yeah, I accidentally put it over there.
Ooh.
Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna make another one.
Put the mini on here.
And then you gotta no, Van. Oh my gosh.
So look at, I can do what I can do.
Okay.
Wow, so cool. Dylan. Hey,
What?
can I play on it?
Look at my gummy bears. Yeah. I'm gonna put them in. Oh, I just need 2 more gummy bears. I'm kind of gonna spread. Just back in.
My waffle is done. Whoa, look at my small waffle. Guys, look at it.
Next time use the spatula.
And
That's what I just need.
pat, 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 pat. Let's make something of it. Pick over. And then guys, we get to use this.
That's for the roll.
Can I please use that?
What?
This.
Oh, I'm using that roll.
Hmm.
But you gotta wait. Your turn.
Can I, this is for me and you, not just
I
yours.
know. But you gotta wait your turn.
No, we don't.
Mm-hmm.
You always take for a while.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Look at my gummy bears. They're in there. Okay, now I'm gonna roll up. This is so cool. Take off the excess. Now, let's
Hey guys, let's move your hair.
Whoa.
Wow.
It's like whipped cream.
So cool. Taylor, can I make something? I want to make this. I want to roll it.
Okay, you gotta roll it up like that.
Okay, can we?
Yeah,
Guys, we got it out! Hooray! Guys, now let's take it out with the spatula.
okay, I took the rest out.
Let's take this thing out. So cool, guys. Whoa, it feels so good. Oh. Ooh, let's make.
Let's knit
I
a
need the
middle.
knife. Oh, take this. Move everything out the way. Come on. What you doing?
Me?
Yeah, what you doing over there?
I'm just making
I'm rolling my thing so I can do it. Guys, down below if you did this before.
comment down below if you have one.
Yeah.
This is so fun. Okay, guys, we are going to tell you guys that how we liked it, and I'm gonna make another rolled ice cream after I'm done with this.
But I need to.
Wait. And look at my rolled ice cream. If you guys want it. Now I'm gonna try it. Got my spoon. Let's see how it tastes. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna make my other.
Whoa! Okay, guys, let's cut it apart. Oh, where's the knife?
All the whiteness and all.
Oh, so cool! Look at Tay. Let's make it again. It's so cool.
I'm gonna get my other color now. Pick my other one.
Guys, look at I made. Look it, guys. Hey, look it. Guys, make sure you see this on our video.
They're all gonna be watching it, so they're already gonna see it on the video.
Yeah. And we have the next hair.
This is actually.
And this is so cool.
It's so fun.
Yeah, it's so cool. Hey guys, let's try to take it out.
Nope, you gotta get this, and you gotta like squirt it.
Come to see what it's going to say. Ah! Scared me.
Put my waffle. in my waffle.
Whoa! Guys, look at it so long. Taylor, look at it so long. Taylor,
What?
I need this thing. What is this for? This.
I don't know.
Ooh. I know what is this for. It's to make sure you get it out. Oh, wow. Wow, Taylor, look at. Look at it.
Look at my butter, but I gotta try again because I kinda messed up. I'm gonna put some white in it.
I know what we're going to make. Make a waffle. But
You don't have to whisper it because I can't hear it.
special. I said I need this.
Oh.
Not a knife. Okay, let's do this. Dun 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 dun.
What's this?
Guys, this is press it down. That's me. We press it down. Okay, guys, let's take up the X's off. John, do you know what is the X's?
And that's
This is so cool. Waffle. Guys, look at my waffle. Okay, I got 2 waffles. Now let's do the next one. This is so big. Oh, let's make it different. Down. Okay, guys, let's walk it. Then let's pop it. This is so cool, Tay. Tell them, do you did this before?
Yep. No, never did this.
I didn't either.
But I played with Play-Doh before.
Me too. Actually, oh, it burned. Guys, it burned.
Oh no. Good.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Go ahead and tell that.
What is this? So cool, huh?
Okay.
I got my thing in that.
So I'm making something. Ooh, oh, okay. So,
Oh no, my bird. Look at Tay.
oh no, that's okay.
Taylor, let's make a different one.
No, if you keep making it, it's gonna get burnt and burnt and burnt and burnt and burnt.
No, I'll make some sides. Yeah. My burnt. But it's okay. Let's make it another one. Whoa! So cool!
I'm almost done, guys.
Uh-oh. Okay, guys, let's open it. Guys, whoa! Look at this, so cool. Guys, don't comment below if you saw this before.
Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. La, la, la. Savannah,
What?
you need to put some of the Play-Doh back because I don't want this all to get mixed up. Okay?
Okay, guys. Guys, I did all the waffles. I did all the waffles.
Oh, wait. Watch this, guys. You ready? Whoa. Isn't that cool?
So,
It's some whipped cream. Whoa.
what the? I like your ice cream.
Thank you. I'm almost done with it. That's why I had to get this. And
So
ta-da!
cool.
Like a panda.
Okay, guys, this is going to make my.
Okay. I'm gonna put away the. Okay. So what have you made, Savannah?
I make a lot of waffles and I make that special one
Mm.
and the blue one.
Okay. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy watching us making our delicious ice creams and waffles and stuff. And comment down below if you guys have one of these. Bye, Crafty Tae and Van. Like and subscribe. Bye.